Alright, here we go. Alright. Hang on just a sec. Costume work. Either one. We got a costume or a trick contest here. We're going up here, tell me your name and your dog's name and which one you're going to do. We're going to have a couple winners out here. Everybody's a winner for coming on out and celebrating the first Campland off-leash dog park grand opening. All right. That's right. Today is freedom. Freedom is the key word today. First contestant is, coming up, we've got Lacey with Otis. Lacey with Otis, here we go. Let's hear it for him, look at that. Otis, look at that, man. Who doesn't love that, huh? Look at that, Charger Spirit. You gotta love that here in San Diego. Wonderful. Good stand.
Fruit bar.
Fruit bar?
You got strawberry or mango?
Pick up. Thank you.
Way to go, Campland! Woohoo! Thank you so much. We love it.
How was that?